Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate cursor on a Samsung Galaxy phone. Let's get into it. First thing first, you have to activate assistant menu on your Samsung Galaxy phone. You can go to your setting and then you have to go to the accessibility setting to activate the assistant menu. Go to the accessibility and select interaction and dexterity, and this is the assistant menu, guys. We just need to click on this toggle button to activate this assistant menu like this and click on allow. Okay, now the assistant menu has been activated. This is how the assistant menu looks like. And if you want to activate the cursor, you just need to click on this assistant menu and you can find the cursor option, this one. So this is the cursor. This cursor will be really useful if you want to show steps while screen recording on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Alright guys, and that's how we can activate cursor on a Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.